Hi everyone, in the previous video we learned how to upload our app code on the GitHub. Today we will deploy this app on the render. Here we successfully log in our account in the render, and we will create a new static site. Then we will connect here our account with the GitHub. So if you are not connected, then click here and connect with the GitHub. And I have to configure in GitHub because we have allow a limited GitHub repo. So here I will select the Tron and save it. For now we have two apps here. Okay, we will deploy this app and will so here is the name of the app. We can change, it will be remain as same, this one also same, these commands also will be remain as default. And here we will write dot forward slash this because we have a wheat app, and when we build this final production, so it's created a dist folder instead of build. So right here dist if you are creating app in with wheat. And for the environment variable, we can pass here, and but now the environment variable are written in the app. So we will simply click here on the deploy static site. So it's under process and building, and here we get this link of the app. So we can update this link in our bot. We will copy it and go back to Telegram and bot further. So here was our bot, and if we click my bots, select the bot and bot setting, then menu button and configure menu button. Okay, so we will provide the URL we get from the render. We will paste it here, and we will give the title like start mining. Okay, so let's take a look. Our app is live successfully. Okay, if we open this link, so it will be loading. Okay, let me show you in the bot. And here we are on the bot and start the bot. But keep in mind, when we start the bot, nothing will be happen because we not run yet the backend bot. That will be send the message to the users like a welcome message or a image. And here we don't see any welcome message because we don't have the backend bot for the referral and for the welcome message. So simple, we get a button here. Okay, for now our app is live, and we have to just run a backend board for the referral and the for the storing the user data in the database. So that's it.